11 steps for growing grapes at home can be a rewarding experience, and with proper care, you can increase fruit production. Here's some simple tips for growing grapes for more fruit. 1. Choose the right variety. Select grape varieties that are well suited to your climate and growing conditions. Consider factors such as disease resistance, fruit flavor, and intended use eating fresh, making wine, or drying. 2. Provide ample sunlight. Grapes require plenty of sunlight to produce fruit. Plant them in a location that receives full sun for at least 6–8 hours per day. 3. Ensure good drainage. Grapes prefer well-drained soil to prevent waterlogged roots. Avoid planting them in low-lying areas or heavy clay soils that retain water. 4. Prune regularly. Proper pruning is essential for grapevines to maintain vigor and encourage fruit production. Prune in late winter or early spring, while the vines are still dormant, to remove dead or diseased wood and shape the plant. 5. Train the vines. Train grapevines onto a trellis, arbor, or support system to provide structure and maximize airflow around the plant. This helps prevent disease and allows sunlight to reach all parts of the vine. 6. Thin the fruit. Once the grape clusters start to form, thin them out to reduce competition and promote larger, sweeter fruit. Leave only the healthiest, most evenly spaced clusters on each vine. 7. Fertilize appropriately. Test the soil to determine its nutrient levels and fertilize the grapes accordingly. Apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring before new growth begins, and consider additional applications throughout the growing season if needed. 8. Manage pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common grape pests such as aphids, spider mites, and grapevine beetles. Practice good sanitation by removing fallen leaves and debris to prevent the spread of diseases such as powdery mildew and downy mildew. 10. Provide adequate water. While grapes are relatively drought tolerant once established, consistent moisture is essential during the growing season, especially during fruit development. Water deeply and regularly, particularly during dry spells. 11. Harvest at the right time. Monitor the grapes as they ripen and harvest them when they reach their optimal flavor and sweetness. Different grape varieties ripen at different times, so familiarize yourself with the specific characteristics of your chosen variety. By following these simple tips, you can grow grapes at home and increase fruit production for a bountiful harvest of delicious and houseplants grapes.